closing of the Magnum Mansion is a prince that hails from Clarendon and always makes his presence felt when he touches the stage. Time to send the rhymes into overdrive. Here is Della Rhymes.
Hey, I'm here, Cinnamon Clarendon, my place. Judges, good night. Grand spin. Barbican. I'm Brooklyn, Clarendon, ready now. Pass to a run Magnum and go down, jam down. Clarendon, Jenna, uptown, Valley, Brook, Valley, Top Winger. Clarendon, Jenna, ooh. Got this style of pot and them prefer. Clarendon, Jenna, them fake who straight like Italian leather. Clarendon, Jenna, anyway. God said the castle, them Jack coming in a bill of death. List apprentice again, wing again, clip authentic. Similes and swagger metaphors like this on the stage. Make the professor kick top, General a road. Play loud, level me run the rich. Me talk to Unok accurately. Move up. Give me a pull up, them Jenna. Give me a pull up, them Jenna. Give me a pull up. Eh? Ready? You ready again? Talk to me then, man.
Della, come over. Come, Della, come. Della Rhymes, you gotta come over here, honey. Don't worry about it, your outfit clean, you're nice, you're clean on everything. All right, Della, come. Stand up, just stand up right here, so. Hi, Scatter. What do you thought of Della Rhymes?
1 second. Here, let me tell you about Clarendon artists them. Come remember when I just come in the music business, an artist named Merciless pick me up and carry me up on the road with him and make me see the world. And it was so impressive to see a countryman from all the way up at Chapelton in a Clarendon. I deal with the stage away and I talk him straight country lingua. Della Rhymes, you remind me of Merciless, a Clarendon you come from. Saying you slip up tonight. But your lyrics are not ordinary, we know that, and it's not easy to remember. It's not easy to compose a song and come out on stage and have all of you people looking at him. And the whole heap of anxiety and for remember everything. So we still have to give it to you, Madonna, and know, so yo, you're resilient as usual and you still hold it. Still big up yourself, Della Rhymes. You're a good artist, my general. Big up, brother.
Want to make some noise for Della Rhymes. Thank you so much, Scatter.
Let me know.
Nuts, what you thought about Della?
Yo, come line up some mic. Yes, man. Won't not stop before. Della, you know why I'm now going to take the night from the eye? Because you have a good track record coming down the line. And you did it. Right? Right down the line. You must can't slip up and no, hey, I can tell you, only God alone perfect. And still God not perfect for make Satan. Remember that. So you're just human. And sometimes anxiety, you understand me? Anxiety does get out better you. But anyway, keep it. Next week we'll rug down the place for you. You know why? Time is a going.